Good afternoon, students. So, the topic that we are going to discuss today is the major water bodies of the earth. Before getting into this topic, I would like you all to know the basic things. Okay? Geography actually is concerned with three major components, that is land, water, and air. Okay? Absence of which can cause death. So, it can't sustain life if any of these things are not present on earth. Okay? All these three are equally important. Okay? So the first thing is atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere is actually the layers of air. Second one is lithosphere. Lithosphere refers to the surface which is hard. Okay? Mountains, plateaus, plains, these all come under lithosphere. Lithos means stone. Okay? The hard surface of the earth. Then we have the hydrosphere. Now, hydrosphere is also important. Why? Because it is also helpful in rainfall, agriculture, cultivation of crops, marine life, generating electricity. These all come under hydrosphere. And hydrosphere is also important because our earth is actually 71% of it is actually covered with water, which is either present in the form of ocean, rivers, lakes, seas, ponds, groundwater, ice sheets, ice caps. These all are coming under the hydrosphere. So they are all equally important. And all these three together, they form the biosphere. All these three collectively form the biosphere. Bio means life, meaning these all, absence of which will not sustain life. Okay? Now, we are going to discuss about the major water bodies. Now, the major water bodies, discuss about the major water bodies, and the first one that we are going to discuss is the oceans. Okay? Now, ocean is a water body. It is the largest and the deepest. Okay? Now we have got different oceans. The first one, according to size, is the Pacific Ocean. The second one is Atlantic. The third one is Indian Ocean. And the fourth one is the Arctic Ocean. Okay? The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest place is also present in the Pacific Ocean. That is known as the Mariana Trench. Okay? Which portion, where is it located? It is given into your books and I have already taught you in the Zoom class. Okay? So kindly read the definition of Pacific Ocean. But the important point is that it is the largest and the deepest place is also present in the Pacific Ocean. The second one is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean comparing to Pacific Ocean is smaller than it. Okay? Then we have Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is at the third place in size. Okay? And it is the only ocean that has got a country's name attached to it. Indian. Okay? And the fourth one is Arctic Ocean. All the definitions and the boundaries and the places, these all are given into your books. Kindly go and learn the definitions by heart. Okay? After this, I will be discussing the importance. What is the importance of the oceans? The first and foremost importance of ocean is that it has marine life or aquatic life. Sea is a home for many creatures that are living in the oceans. Okay? And we also get many food items, seafoods, from the oceans. They are also contributing oxygen. How? Because of the coral reefs. Coral reefs are present in the ocean, seas. Okay? So they are also contributing oxygen to the environment. Okay? The second most important point about the importance is that it helps us generating electricity. How? Because the tides and waves that rises in the ocean or the seas, they are used to generate electricity. Okay. The third more important point is that it helps in evaporation, water cycle. Water cycle is mainly concerned with the water bodies. When the sunlight falls on the surface of the earth, the water bodies evaporates vapor. Now that vapor forms clouds, and from that clouds we receive rainfall. And rainfall is very necessary for us because we have related to the cultivation of crops. The cultivation of crops requires irrigation. Water is required. Okay. Now the fourth most important point of ocean is that transportation. Transportation can be also done in the oceans. There are many sea routes which are connecting different places to the others. So these are the importances. Importances definition for each and every oceans, the continents which shares the coastline, the places which are oceans. Actually all the oceans are connected to each other, either on the east side, west, north or south. Okay? All the oceans are connected to each other. So that is all for today. I have taught you the oceans, the Pacific, Atlantic and the Indian Arctic Oceans. The importance I have discussed. So now I request you all to read whatever is given in the book for these oceans. I have explained to you the importance. If you have any question, just WhatsApp me, okay? So that's all for today. Thank you.